Please share the screen.
Okay, sir.
So today we will learn the correspondence analysis. The report writing of correspondence analysis. So this is the format. Uh, you will write down the study of the correspondence map of safety consciousness of industrial workers. So next is you have to write down your name, and after that our institute introduction. Next is that the report is submitted. Oh, no, Farah, please you go to. The report is submitted for partial fulfillment of the certificate course. Then you have to write down the title of the certificate course. 3 months online certificate course on Introduction to Multivariate Data Analysis using RStudio. After that, under the supervision of, and then you have to write down the date of submission. Next is the content. Uh, Content includes the first one will be acknowledgement, declaration, abstract. Next, chapter 1, introduction. Introduction includes introduction to safety consciousness. Next is the correspondence map. And next is the objectives of the research. Objectives হবে নাকি objectives? Objective. ঠিক আছে, objectives of the research. Chapter 2, literature review. Literature review includes, you write down 2.1 is the industrial safety, and 2.2 is the correspondence map. Industrial safety. 2.2 is the correspondence map or correspondence analysis.
So this is already there in the introduction chapter.
That is the introduction, but this is the literature review. Literature review and introduction is different. That means you have to include some of the studies.
Yes, sir.
Next is chapter 3, method. 3.1 is the data source. 3.2, data structure. 3.3, characteristics of respondents. 3.4 is description of the instrument. 3.5, statistical analysis. I think this is clear to all of you. Or is there any question? This is clear. Chapter 4, results, frequency distribution, 4.1, 4.2, contingency table, 4.3, correspondence map, 4.4, chi-square distance and inertia. Next, chapter 5, discussion about the results or findings. 5.2, limitations. 5.3, future research. And 5.4, you can write down suggestions. And 5.5 is the conclusion. Suggestions. And 5.4 is the 5.5 is the conclusion. Then the references. Then appendix. Appendix includes safety consciousness questionnaire and the art script. Then the list of tables. Next is the list of figures. So you have to write down the table 1, table 2, etc. Their title and the page number. And Farag, you can teach them how to do the hyperlink. I think that is better. So you click acknowledgement, only acknowledgement, not the extra space, only the acknowledgement. Then right click, then bookmark. Is there any bookmark?
No, sir. Let me see.
There you will find bookmarks somewhere. Reference is there, no? There you can find out the bookmark. Got it? You make it big, then I can tell you. Otherwise, I can. Toma, can you see the bookmark?
Yes, sir.
Small. You just select acknowledgement, and then you have to select the references there. Na? There you can find out the bookmark or hyperlink like that. Where it is? Mail review. Okay, you click the review. You click the review. Is there any bookmark?
No, sir. Let me search.
Maybe in the reference.
Yeah, in the reference, I think bookmark will be there. But I do not know why the bookmark is not. I do not find out. Pretty
Sir,
small.
you want to hyperlink any?
Yeah,
What you want to
hyperlink.
hyperlink? So right click option is hyperlink. One is there, or as a reference, you can put from the insert reference.
Now, if you select the acknowledgement, then that will be initially the bookmark. After that, you can make the hyperlink. Bookmark is not coming. Why? I do not know. Usually, it is in references. Okay, later on you will try. Is there any hyperlink here?
The only link is there.
Okay, you click the link, acknowledgement after that link.
Interrupt link.
And then, yeah.
That's not
Sir,
that.
here it is the bookmark.
Now you go to the top. There is one acknowledgement. No. Acknowledgement is written. No. You go in the contents, you will find the acknowledgement. Now you select acknowledgement only. Then you go to then you click the right click hyperlink. Now you check or link. Now you click the bookmark. Have you got acknowledgement?
No,
Oh,
it's showing my folder.
okay. Later on, please you do it. So I'm requesting all the students, please you make this bookmark and the hyperlink. Okay. And next is the declaration. Declaration is vital because we have to written down that there is no presence of plagiarism, including self-plagiarism. After that, your name, your email ID, your qualification, then abstract, and you have to write down the abstract. Abstract includes the background, objective, then the method, next is the results, and, or the findings. So these things will be there in the abstract. And you have to write down the background. Now you go to the introduction part. So this is the introduction related to the industrial accident and the variables. After that, you can find out the correspondence map. That is another chapter. Yeah, another paragraph, correspondence map. So you will introduce correspondence map properties. That is number one, dimension reduction. Next is the visual representation. Third is proximity interpretation. Fourth is orthogonality of axes. Fifth, eigenvalues. Sixth, multiple maps. Okay. Next is the objective. Objective of the study is to. Objective of the study, there will be one verb, is to examine association of different safety consciousness variables through correspondence analysis. Now, next will be the literature review. Literature review will be the first one, will be the industrial safety, safety consciousness. After that, there will be the correspondence map or correspondence analysis. This is not written, so please you find out in the Elsevier, there you can find out. Sciencedirect.com, there you can find out. Method includes the data source. So data source includes our institute provided you the data, and what is the nature of the data? You have to write down. Next is the data structure. So what are the, how many row variables and how many column variables? So that should be mentioned. So these are the column variables and there are some row variables. Row variables, how many? 160, na? Observation, Para?
Yes, sir.
So you have to write down the row variable 160. Characteristics of respondents. So this is the, it is written 160 sample. And next is the characteristics of respondents. There will be one paragraph as well as the frequency distribution. And here you can use the pie chart so that we can understand better. Next is the description of the questionnaire. So you have to write down the questionnaire and Cronbach's alpha is 0.83. Description of the instrument. You have to write down that it is a rating scale, 5-point rating scale, and how many items are there. You have to write down all those things. After that, the Cronbach's alpha 0.83. That means internal consistency very high, more than 0.8. Next is the statistical analysis. Statistical analysis, go below.
No, sir, nothing is there. They have to do it, sir, with the R script.
Okay.
So now we will discuss this. This we will provide them, sir. This is we are providing as it is. They just have to add now correspondence map, literature review in this and pie chart of this data. Abstract also they have to write.
Yeah, you have to write down the abstract also. So the institute is providing you almost 75% of information, and please you write down that is 25. Now, Shoma, Sayon, do you want to add something? If you have any question, you can ask. This data you
Sir,
have now.
I have to catch on many more things,
Yeah,
and I will get in contact with Para.
sure. And this correspondence map, you know, and the art script that is also given in the Google Classroom.
Yes, sir. That is there, but I have
Yeah.
to revisit once again.
And the correspondence map also, you can.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think you do not have any problem for writing the incomplete.
It will appear while working, sir.
So how
To
long
be
will
honest, I will not make any promises. I will not make any excuses, sir. But let's see.
So Farah, is there any time limit?
Yes, time limit is there. So they have to submit their draft report by I have posted in this Google Classroom. Okay. So 25 January, final report they have to submit by 25th January. So before that, they can submit their draft report. We
So
can give them
draft report submission date.
draft report before 25th. They can 25th is the final date for the report. So before that, they can submit their draft report. But before that means not
No,
not
if they submit on 24th,
24, then we will not give. Yeah.
so
So
at
I,
least you have to give some time. No? Maybe it is the 15th or 20th.
I think
Uh,
I have
20th.
my 25. Okay, yes, sir. Okay, then 15th, yeah, 20th I can give. By 20th, they can submit their draft report.
20th February.
Target on 15th.
20th January, they can submit their draft report. We will give them the feedback. And after that, after that, they have to work on their final report.
Now you write down this thing. That is 20th day, 20th January is the last date for submission of draft, and 25th is the last date for submission of the final paper.
Yes, that I mentioned. 25th I mentioned on group only. And
And
I have
20th.
posted, I have posted project report draft submission on Google Classroom. I'm adding the date now. There I'm adding 20th January.
And today is 8th January. No?
Yeah, today is 8th January. So in the next class, we will work with the data and we will ask everyone to use the R script that we have posted on Google Classroom. They will copy it and they will show us in the R Studio because we want to see whether they have understood the analysis part or not, the coding and everything. Because everything we cannot spoon feed, right? So they have to come up with their laptop and R Studio must be there in the laptop. R script is already there in the Google Classroom, so they will use the R script and show it to us what is coming, what they are understanding by the analysis. Shweta, do you have R Studio in your laptop? Hello, Shweta, can you please unmute yourself? Soma ma'am, do you have R Studio?
Yes, I have that. I
Acha,
have
okay.
that.
Shweta, you have now, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have done my first assignment also.
Okay, so in the next class, you come with your laptop. I will start with you. There is a R script. You copy paste it in your R Studio, and you will show it to us. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, this will give you a good practice. So, ma'am, you also come. Be ready with the R Studio.
Yes,
Sayan,
yes.
you too. Sayan, you too. Okay?
Yes, I have asked you.
Yeah,
Asked
you
also.
have. You have to show it. Please submit one report at least, Sayan.
Oh,
This is
one I
your
have submitted. That is, it's too much embarrassing. What I can
yeah,
say.
so you have to submit this course, mate, or you have to submit. This is your second course. We are giving you
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
70%
ma'am. I
now.
know.
Okay,
I
and you
know, ma'am.
please
I know.
don't skip classes. Okay, please don't skip classes. Students, I'm
See,
requesting you. We will
क्या
sit
ही बताएं.
together and we will complete this work under the guidance of sir. Okay, okay, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sir. I am clear from my side, and I hope students will attend the next class and will do the data analysis together.
Today still some time is there.
Yeah.
So if
So, yeah.
Soma has the data, Soma, you can share. Or
Sir,
Shayan has the data, Shayan can share.
Shweta is also here, sir. Shweta can also.
Ma'am, I'm on the road, sir.
Okay. Shweta, do you have right now our studio? Do you want to do now?
Ma'am, I'm at the hostel. Power is not there properly.
Okay. Okay.
So some other day I'll do it.
Okay. Okay, no problem. But in the next class, you please be ready. Okay, Shweta. Okay, sir. Then in the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
class, in the next class we will start this thing.
Okay.
I'm posting this thing on Google Classroom. Tomorrow I will post it. And then you we all will we all will do the data analysis. And please submit assignments, students. All assignments are comprehensive. So please submit. This is the last month of the course. So please submit all the comprehensive assignments. Shweta, you have to submit, huh? You have submitted one of the assignment. Now you have to submit other assignments also. Shweta, Soma ma'am, Sayan.
Yes, ma'am, I will
Yes,
try.
ma'am. Will do, ma'am.
Yeah. Subarna has submitted, so I'm not adding Subarna's name. So you all please submit all the comprehensive assignment. Okay. Okay, sir. Then
Okay. Thank you.
thank you, students.
Best
Thank you so
wishes
much.
from me. Good night to all.